Day 11 of converting this Ford Transit into a camper van. Previously, Adam and I cut out the frame for our Smev sink and hob unit and installed it into the van. We then took a week break to go to Boomtown. Now we are back, we finally have our window fitted, which looks awesome. We just have some small details now to finish off in the van. So Adam needed to cut a plywood beam to cover the front frame of the bed and then screwed our dyed piece of wood into place. He also needed to finish the pull-out chair, so he had to cut a few millimeters off the chair frame, and whilst he did this, I wood dyed the beams for the top of the chair. We then had to drill 2 holes into both chair tops and add rope so that you can pull out the chair, and also to lift the main chair for access to the leisure battery. There was still a few bits of leftover carpet to trim, and the last piece of the roof cladding is now finally in place. I cut to shape our window frame, I then dyed it, and then we wood glued and screwed it into place. And now we've finally moved on to the electrics, and we've started piecing together the split charge relay, the fuse, and then grounding the cables, and we've also fitted the fuse box to the battery. I will do a video tomorrow or in the next few days explaining how the actual split charge relay works, but for now this is where we're up to. So now we finally have our window fitted, the bed frame is finished, and we've just got a few small jobs left to finish on the pull-out chair and on the table. With the pull-out chair, we need to wait for it to be dried so we can attach the top of the seat, and with the table we need to make a folding table leg. The lights are fitted and working, the Smev sink is in place, we just need to buy some screws today to install it properly. And then once that's done, we can fit the plumbing, the pipes and the water tank underneath the sink. We also have some copper pipe which we need to cut for our curtain pole, and we need to visit Dunelm today to start buying our decor. The electrics need finishing and everything needs connecting to the fuse box, and once that's done the van is pretty much finished. Follow us for day 12 where we'll be fixing all of the finishing touches and starting on the decor.